Welcome to my channel where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. I was asked recently, what do I make of the statement by the president of African Development Bank, Dr. Akinwumi, Adesina, that he doesn't rule out the possibility of contesting for president of Nigeria in 2027. How do I look at that development, the possibility of it, or how do I understand, how do I interpret it, my interpretation of it? That's what I want to talk about in this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. Now, Dr. Akinwumi Adesina achieved fame in Nigeria when he was the Minister of Agriculture, and he introduced some innovation, especially about on the distribution of fertilizer. I think that was probably the most innovative thing he did at that time, so that people, mobile telephone was, expanding in many rural communities, and using mobile phone to be able to communicate to farmers where they can go and pick fertilizer and all that. But I don't know how widespread, how many farmers benefited from that, but there were reported successes in that area, and other agricultural value chain ideas that he brought about for Nigerians to see agriculture as the next best thing beyond crude oil. Then after he served the Jonathan administration, he moved on. In 2015, I think he was elected the president of the African Development Bank, and then re-elected in 2020. So this year his tenure is finishing, and he can't go for a third term. So in an interview with Arise TV, he was asked by Rufai Oseni of his next plan of action after leaving the presidency of African Development Bank. What is his next option? What is he planning to do? He was talking about various things. Then Hussein asked him, has he thought about the possibility of contesting for the presidency? He said he's ready to contribute to the development of Nigeria in any capacity, including the presidency, sort of. So my understanding of it, the way I interpret it, is that for Dr. Akinwumi Adesina to say that he can contribute, he can become president in 2027 if need be, if he's needed in that area. What is conveyed to me is that he has shown that Tinubu presidency is a failure. It was an endorsement of the failure of the Tinubu administration. Why did I say so? Akinwumi Adesina is a smart person. If Tinubu administration, if Tinubu presidency had performed well, or is performing well, what I had expected Akinwumi to say is to rally Nigerians and say, when 2027 presidency was suggested to him, I had expected him to say that, no, 2027 is still for President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Nigerians should support him so that he can continue with the good works, the economic reforms he has been making to ensure that the country gets better. But that was not what Adesina said. He didn't say that Nigeria, everyone should support Tinubu so that he could be re-elected to continue the good works he had been doing in managing the economy. So by admitting that he can run when he knew that 2027 Tinubu has the opportunity to seek for re-election, yet he had the mind to say that he will run if that is what Nigerians want, if that is he's needed in that position. That is a message that Tinubu and the APC administration has for the nation, and he has seen it, and he feels that he could do better there if that is what Nigerians want him, where they want him to be there. If they want him to be there, he's ready to take on the position. So, as far as I can see it, he has marked the Tinubu scorecard and gave it failure. That's my take on that. Now, does he have the grassroots support that could be able to push him to challenge Tinubu in any other political party? I doubt it very strongly, because he doesn't have the kind of support, the grassroots support that people like Muhammadu Buhari and Peter Obi and Rabi Musa Kwankwaso can easily activate. So I don't see how he can be able to be successful. But he can run, but I don't think he can be able to upstage Tinubu in 2027. I don't see him upstaging anybody who is high ranking in politics in Nigeria. That's not possible. He has to still understudy how these things work. Perhaps contest for governor or something like that. But if you want to move straight to the presidency, you can only do that when you have a president sitting that is ready to back you with federal might, the way Obasanjo backed Yaradua. Okay, then you can say, okay, you are just there. Obasanjo will do all the work. Then you come in as a technocrat. But to start from the grassroots and be able to upstage Bola Ahmed Tinubu, I don't think it will work. He will be deceiving himself if he thinks it's going to be possible for him. And in any case, he is from Southwest. His popularity in the Southwest, you can't compare it with Bola Ahmed Tinubu, and we kind of war chest that Bola Ahmed Tinubu has been a sitting president. For you to defeat Bola Ahmed Tinubu, you need somebody who have the grassroots support and be able to, inspire an unusual expectation that people will be ready to die to protect that person's vote. I don't think Akinwumi will meet that expectation. I don't think so. He's a technocrat. I respect him for that. But thinking of the presidency in 2027 is not possible. In any case, he's from Southwest. How can Southwest always be the ones producing the presidency whenever it's in the southern Nigeria? It doesn't really make any difference. It means that the Yoruba of Southwest Nigeria has become the Fulani of the southern Nigeria, just as Fulani is the controlling ethnic group in northern Nigeria. Anytime a president wants to come out, he must be Fulani. If someone wants to be president, you have to be Fulani to show face that you want to be president. It's not turn, then it must be Fulani turn. It is South turn, then it must be Yoruba turn. A country is not built for redevelopment when you have that kind of arrangement where power is centered in select ethnic groups in a country of over 300 ethnic nationalities. It doesn't work that way. Even those who are enjoying it under this kind of thinking that they are enjoying victory, this fiery victory they are enjoying, one day it will explode in everybody's face. The country will implode, and to that extent, Israel will happen. So you must be able to run a country where every side of it will feel a sense of belonging. Nobody has a monopoly of producing president. Nobody has a monopoly of the capacity to be an effective president. Every ethnic nationality in Nigeria, every geographic zone in Nigeria, the 6 geopolitical zone, you will get people who can be better president than those that we have been served with from Southwest and North. I mean, what I'm talking about, both from the Fulani stock and the Yoruba stock. Because if they are good, this country will not be the way it is. Between 1999 and today, power has been exchanging hands between Fulani and Yoruba. Yet the country is a total mess. It's an indication that even those they are picking from the Yoruba ethnic nationality, from Fulani, they are disastrous leaders who have not contributed anything positive to make Nigeria better than they made it. That's my take. I don't know what you think about Adesina's presidential ambition. What do you think about it? Do you think it makes any sense? Do you think that my interpretation is right? Because I believe that if Adesina has respect or regard for what Tinubu has done so far, he would not have said that he can also contest in 2027. He's accepting to contest if the opportunity presents itself. Is an indication that the people there now are not doing the right thing. Whatever is your position, let's hear from you at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, Google will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.